Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about why you shouldn't do 100% each day. Like, if you have a plan, why you shouldn't follow it through every single day 100%. I think the number that you should follow is around 80%, and I think it's more than perfect to do it if like, there's nothing better than doing 80%, in my opinion. Because the first thing that you do when you are following the plan 100% is that you become a perfectionist. You have to finish the plan every single day, and if you don't finish it, you feel terrible. So instead of feeling terrible and being that perfectionist person, it's better to do a maximum of 80 to 90%. But for me personally, I make a plan, I follow 80% of the plan, and I'm really happy. Sometimes, even if I follow 70%, I'm still on the good side. The second thing is that it prevents burnout. So when you do this for every single day, when you keep, smashing it, which you do, I'm sure, then it's going to be very difficult for you to come the second day and smash it as you did yesterday. Because, like, we all have limited energy. So if you're working 12 hours and you come the next day, you will feel a little bit tired. Of course, like, try to finish your plans as fast as possible, but as best as possible, but don't actually get burned out, which is not really fun. The third thing is it allows for unexpected tasks. So let's think about it like this. Let's say that you have 10 hours to work each day. You cannot work more, and you're doing it 100% of the time. Like, you're working 10 hours straight, and then some unexpected thing happen, like a work, like something urgent, and you wanted to push it there. You want to squeeze it there. You won't be able to, because you know what? You already filled everything to the max. So, like, a full cup cannot take more, right? Yeah, yes, 100%. You agree with that. Then the next thing is, when you don't do 100%, it enhances adaptability, which is also related to the previous point. If you if this happens to you often, then you will be adaptable. You will be able to do the tasks that comes to you suddenly, and you will not be stressed, and you will not feel, oh my God, what am I gonna do? Shoot myself, whatever. The next step is it promotes balance. So when you have so many things that you're doing each day, and you feel so much exhausted, this will affect your health. So you need balance between health and also balance with uh, with what you do and what you work. So these are the points that I think are the most important ones. But here is something that is, I think, is a bonus. Whenever you feel really exhausted, whenever you feel that, oh my God, I just can't breathe anymore, whenever you feel burnt out and feel bad, think about this again, because the reason is not because you're only giving 100%, but because you're not giving yourself the time to breathe. And if you can use the Pomodoro technique, work for 25 minutes and then take 5 minutes. Sometimes it's not very good if you do the Pomodoro technique, because sometimes you need to do more longer sessions. Like, for example, if you have a nice call, like you're enjoying somebody's company, you shouldn't be like, okay, I'm working for 25 minutes, so I just have a rule. No, just, have a common sense, and I think you do. I believe you do. Yes, those are all the things that I wanted to say. And one more thing, if you like the video, just do. And but if you have anything that you want to say, or if you want to share your opinion about the matter, I really would like to hear your opinion in the comments below. So if you have something interesting to say, or even it's not interesting, just you have an opinion, an idea, or some video that you want me to do in the future, just write it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.